Hello everyone, today we are going to go over uploading a custom recording into DialMyCalls. To get to the recording section, click on Messages and by default you will be on the Recordings tab. After you've either used recording software to create a recording or hired a voice actor to create one for you, click on Upload a Recording. Name your recording, which is just for your records, so that you can easily select the recording when you go to send out a voice broadcast. Drop your audio file into the window or click Browse to select the audio file on your computer to upload. Please note that we can accept the following file formats: MP3, M4A, AAC, or WAV. Once you see your file listed, click on Upload and Close to add it to your DialMyCalls account. You will now see your audio file listed and you have a few options for that file. You can play back the file to make sure it sounds good before you send it out to your contacts. Click on New Broadcast to start a new broadcast using that specific recording, download your audio file, edit the name of the recording, and finally you can delete the file from your account. That wraps up our video on uploading a custom recording into your DialMyCalls account. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086. Our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.